jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtailing, making.
Damn, baby, you came here like no fucking. What up, y'all? What up? What up? What up? What up? I got pizza. I got pizza. Uh-oh. I got pizza, y'all. Y'all still can't see me. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. And I got some. I told y'all. Fake Doritos, nacho cheese. All these special, baby. Dr. Pepper, baby. In my body. Let's get it. I'm looking at. Yeah. Jesus? Think I ain't gonna put it back in my mouth? I am. Yeah, what's going on with this Damo and Chrissy stuff? I'll be glad when it's over. I'll be glad. This is a, what is this, an ultimate meat? It got pepperoni and sausage, and I know DNA ain't trying to call my phone in the middle of a goddamn on video. Dina. So I wonder if they can hear me while she calling. Pepperoni and steak and sausages up on that thing with some bacon, cheese, and then I put some pepper flakes on it, some minced onions, pepper, a little bit of salt, and that's it. And we got this from Aldi. How much does this pizza cost?
About $5.
About a $5 box. That mug hitting too, yeah. I had it yesterday. This mug fire. Care what you talking about, crust and all. Yeah, baby. Smack your mama. But I'm sick of hearing about Chrissy and Damo. Huh? You talking to me?
No, baby.
Who you talking to?
I'm not talking to you, baby.
I said, who you talking to?
I'm talking to Eric.
Think you got me fucked up. Yeah, I done watched a couple videos when I guess Damo was an hour-long video. I ain't watched her video. I watched other people's reaction of her video, so they can break it down and say what's going on and show snippets of her video or whatever. Why she talking about her and Chrissy and why she stayed and all this other bull crap. Thank you, Jesus. Good morning. Okay, happy Vlogmas Day 18. Had to get up early, put my clothes in the dryer. Let me see what this damn cat is. I'm gonna fuck her up. be tripping early in the morning, y'all. I don't know what she be on. I have to make some coffee. I already brushed my teeth, washed my face. Oh, I think she in the shitter, yeah. That's where she was. But yeah, about to make this coffee and get it started. Let's get it started. Oh, let's get it started. Rinse out my cups and stuff. Early in the morning. It's already clean. I just gotta rinse it out because I don't know. I just do because I feel funny if I don't. Well, Deanna's home, y'all. She with the baby. She is with the baby. The baby was loving all on her. And then guess what? What meal Deanna brought the baby? White Castle. And then go ask her, are you shitting? What do you think White Castle do, boo? You know if they go through us, you know they're going straight through a baby. Even though she ain't eating nothing but, you know, just a teeny tiny piece and, you know, fries and chickens or whatever they call it. That's what she had. Every time my baby see me, her lights up. Her lights up, mommies. Yeah, her dues. Gotta take out the old grounds. I don't know, but something just told me get up this morning, so I got up. Plus, I had to use the bathroom anyway, so instead of holding it for another hour and so, I got on up. And this is not this coffee, we just put it in this tub right here. Now, sorry, she don't make strong coffee. I like strong coffee. He don't like strong coffee. I do. I need something that's gonna kick your ass. You know, early in the morning, wake that ass up. Get that ass up. Hey, get that ass up. Get that ass up. Hey. Early in the morning. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And one spoon of sugar. I used to have like 2 or 3 spoons. But 1 spoon of sugar is good enough for me. Coffee about to do its thing, baby. Oh! Shut up, cat. Where's my sugar? I need to put some more sugar in there, y'all. Hold on. And I'm back, y'all. Guess who arose? You woke? He ain't woke. 1 spoonful of sugar. Put that sugar up in there. I don't know. Something just told me get up, babe, so I got up. Did my alarm go off?
Yeah.
You turned it all the way off. Then you ain't put snooze or nothing. I'm sitting here thinking something wrong with my daggone phone. Help him, Jesus. And I already got my oatmeal. This is my container. This is my $1 holler, y'all, and it still works. Fix your clothes, my dude. What you doing? What? What you about to say? Got my oatmeal and I got my lurch. I got my lurch. I will take these chips, but I ain't even hardly eat none when I was eating my pizza yesterday, so I ain't gonna take them. It's probably too much anyway. Let me not forget my ginger ale. Help me, Jesus. I don't want to forget that. Kevin, you ate some corned beef hash yesterday?
Yeah.
For breakfast? Oh, okay. Get my International Delight Oreo. You really don't even need no sugar when you have this, but I still like that little extra sweetness in my coffee because I'm sweet. Got my Canada Dry. And you know what, babe? I hope I ain't making y'all dizzy. My ginger ales that save a lot in the cans.
I know.
Well, why you ain't stop and get me none? You went right past that mug. He wasn't thinking about me, y'all. Y'all heard that? He wasn't thinking about me. Yes, I do that to Kevin too. Yes, I do. I am the loud one, and I don't care. Yes, I am. Brew that coffee. Kevin still tired. Still tired. That ass was not there last night. Fix it, Jesus. Why you look back at the camera? Yeah.
Heavenly hand cream? My hands get so back, I need serious relief.
I'ma see y'all later.
Let your light shine through us. In your holy and precious name I pray, God. Amen.
Amen. Work day. Y'all, I'm tired. I'm tired. But thank you, Jesus, for waking me up. Get this day started on this vlog, Miss Day 18. Yeah. Talking about my $50 gonna be on this check coming up. Talking about it's gonna be in retro pay. It better be there. That's all I got to say. It just don't make no kind of sense why I gotta keep waiting. Like, y'all know what y'all doing? Y'all not do y'all job? Well, all right. You just rush for me. Get my day started.